Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a famous Filipino dish, pork adobo. Here are the ingredients: 1 large onion, chopped, 5 cloves garlic, minced, half a kilo of pork belly, cut, 2 pieces bay leaves, 1 teaspoon pepper, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons vinegar. First, we're going to saute our garlic and onion. Heat a small amount of oil in the pan, then add the garlic followed by the onion. Once the garlic starts to brown and the onion becomes translucent, add the pork belly. Cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes until it turned brown. Flip the pork belly to brown the other side. Then add the soy sauce, bay leaves, and pepper. Mix it up to blend the flavors with each other. Looking good. Add around 1 cup of water. Then cover and simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until the pork is tender and skin can be pricked without any pressure. After prolonged simmering, the liquid dried up and the pork belly started to render a lot of fat. I discarded the oil because our pork adobo will be too fatty and oily. After discarding the oil, add the vinegar, but do not stir so it will not have a sour acidic taste. Just cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done! This is a dry version of adobo and it's just one of the many versions of this recipe. Try this at home and feedback to us if you love this dish. Share to us also how you cook adobo in your home. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!